Okay, for this week's tool learning video, I am going to talk about these things that I've learned. I learned how to create a theme, how to link buttons to slides, how to lock a slide until the student gets the correct answer, and how to add music to the entire slide. Okay, so this week I actually did a lot of work and a lot of research. First thing I did was I went through YouTube after YouTube video after YouTube video. Um, and I learned a whole bunch of different stuff from each of these. This was a series on how to actually set up a theme and create a theme in Captivate, which was really helpful because then instead of having to edit font every single time, it was already done. This one was pretty important. Unfortunately, that did mean I just restarted since I needed to redo all of the themes. In this video, this was just some basics where things were located, which was helpful since I'm just learning. I haven't fully watched this one yet because it's just about publishing it. So I feel like that's my next step, just to get a view. And this one showed me how to make a jigsaw puzzle, which I'm still debating adding. I like the thought of doing a puzzle in the escape room. But this video is really important because it showed me how to add background music across the entire presentation. It also taught me how I could lower the volume where there's already audio. So if there's a video, add it to that slide, and how I can turn off the volume. So if I feel like the audio is a little distracting behind a video, I can just turn it off. But we have a background with buttons. The room, there will be videos in each room, just as a here's what you need to be doing in this room. There is a matching activity. They have to get it right to be able to go to the next step. They will have another video to explain what room 2 will be. Room 2 is a drag and drop. They will sort here. They have to get this right in order to move on as well. Then they go to room 3, and it is another matching vocabulary terms for them. At the end, they will get a score, and it will hopefully at the end of this, it would be 100. One thing I have liked doing is just previewing it every so often just to make sure that it's what I want it to look like. So when I pull it up, we begin. Now, one thing I am thinking of adding for the next time is I like the clicking noise from the button because it lets me know that it clicked. So I want to add that to all of those buttons. The other thing I kind of am thinking of adding, or I would like, is a timer that just keeps up with how long the kid takes for each of these. And I don't know if that's something I can add to this last slide or not.